know, this is going to be one of the best opportunities we're going to ever have qualifying. There is a belief here and we're all looking forward to that.
We want to win every game we go into, whether we're underdogs or favourites. We'll be looking forward to the game going into it.
I just think the players that we possess at the minute and the fact that we've been together and we're going into the campaign settled and just really comfortable with each other and just the experience that we've gained over the last few years really.
When we come away with Wales now, everybody loves being there. The banter's flying, everyone's getting along together, having a laugh with each other, and it shows on the pitch. Everybody's fighting for every ball together. We're all together.
Coming here top of the league, we're playing against the best team really in our group, and now one of the best teams in the world. So our players were unbelievably courageous and brave tonight.
It was a great performance from the boys. You know, we come here believing that we could get the result, and we managed to do it. You know.
4 points, 2 games to go. We need one point, and then it's all over.